2012 for Thunderlarra has been a time of change. We have had a new executive come on board since I took the position in April, following the move on from the previous managing director. But what we have been able to do are several things. We took an initiative to reduce costs by taking salary cuts at board and executive level. We have lost a few on the headcount, unfortunately, but what that has left us with is a very focused team that has allowed us to explore the projects that we're focusing on, that are copper projects primarily, and deliver some really interesting results to date on those projects. We're trading at 5 cents, a market cap of about $11.5 million. $4 million in the bank, which gives us enough money to do the exploration that we're planning. And we have also recently had an independent research report that rates us between 8.5 cents and 15.5 cents valuation. The fact that they did reach the conclusions they have, that we are undervalued, which is what we believe, means that you have the opportunity, if our exploration results deliver success, to see some material price re-rating in the current year. I think the two main projects that we're focusing on are Carrara Well in the Murchison of Western Australia, which is about 10 kilometres along strike from Sandfly's recently commissioned DeGrussa copper gold mine, and the other one is Alamba in the Northern Territory, which is about 180 kilometres southeast of Darwin. To look at Carrara first, the reason why we believe that this has such great potential is that it has a series of geological characteristics that make us believe that we could have the possibility of a repetition of the DeGrussa style mineralisation. If that is the case, that would be a really, really interesting result for next year. In Alamba in the Northern Territory, which we also do own 100% for the areas that we're exploring, this is a more complex geological setting. It's copper and uranium, but we also have potential that we've discovered skarn-type mineralisation that was previously unknown and which has the potential in the future to deliver a possible resource of size down the track. One other asset that shareholders will no doubt be interested in hearing about is the Thunderlarra Basin asset in the central part of Australia. Given its size, it does require a major partner to help us fund the exploration that's warranted on that ground. So we really need to continue to investigate the opportunities for joint venture partners on that, and that is an approach that we are continuing to develop. Red Boar is probably one of the assets that many shareholders will have bought Thunderlarra shares for. Over the years we have spent $3.2 million to reach a stage where we believe we have earned 60% participating interest. Unfortunately, our joint venture partner contends that we have not satisfied the requirements of the earn-in agreement, so that will need to be resolved. We will not be spending further exploration dollars on the Red Boar asset until such time as that equity position is resolved to everyone's satisfaction. And at the moment we will continue to pursue all the avenues that are open to us to protect shareholder interests in that asset. We believe that it does still have potential at depth, but to be able to drill at depth becomes a very expensive exercise. It makes no sense to spend your funds drilling that sort of asset target if we don't have a firm conclusion to the equity position. We want you to be part of what we believe will be a very exciting 2013 on the exploration front for Thunderlarra. So I would encourage you to continue to watch the videos and the news that we issue to the market, and make sure that you're part of what we believe will be one of the better exploration stories in the Australian market in the coming year.